Good morning to everybody. In a previous class, we discussed about the importance of elections. We discussed already four factors on which the importance of the elections is recognized. Let us examine fifth element on which the importance of election is recognized. It is fifth factor. It is a barometer of democracy and serves as a forum for discussion of public issues and facilitates the expression of public opinion. Elections are the barometer of democracy. How the elections are a barometer of the elections, you think yourself. ಈ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವು ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾರೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷ, ಯಾವ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿ ಜನಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಳಿಗೆ, ಆಶೆ ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಚುನಾವಣೆಯ ಮೂಲಕನ ಜನರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾರೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ democracy, and also it provides as a forum for discussion of public issues, and also it facilitates the expression of public opinion. Elections are providing facilities to the public for expressing their opinions about the national issues, about the state issues, totally about the different kinds of issues. People can express their opinions only through the elections by exercising their votes. ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಸಂದರ್ಭದೊಳಗೆ ತಾವು ಮತವನ್ನು ಚಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜನರು ಜಾಗೃತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜನರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೋಇಂಗಿತ ಹಿಂಗದ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮತದಾನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಿಂದ ಮತದಾರರು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಟ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ number 6, it provides political education and training to the voters, and voters are actually participating in the political activities of the nation. Well, how the elections are providing political education and political training to the voters? Here, during the times of elections, voters are judging the capacity, calibrity, characters of the candidates who contested for an election. ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಸಂದರ್ಭದೊಳಗೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಏನದ, ಗುಣ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಏನದ, ಜನರ ಹಿತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಪಂದನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವ್ರು ಇದಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚುನಾವಣೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನ ಮತವನ್ನು ಚಲಾಯಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿರುವಂತಹ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಪಕ್ಷಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನರು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Through the medias, voters are collecting the informations about the political parties and about the candidates who contested for an election. So in such a way, by gathering the informations, people are knowingly or unknowingly becomes somewhat politically educated. And to whom we have to cast our vote, to whom we should not cast our vote, that they are thinking themselves. So that provides something training to the people. In such a way, elections are providing political education and political training. And also, by exercising the votes, by doing all these things, they are participating in the national political activities of the nation. In such a way, elections occupied a very significant position. For that reason, on the basis of this factor also, we can recognize the importance of the elections. Let us examine the seventh factor. It protects the interests of minorities by providing representation in the legislature. It means minorities are going to cast their votes and elect their representatives for representing their interest in the legislature. ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಸಂದರ್ಭದೊಳಗ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತರುಗಳು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗೆ ಮತವನ್ನು ಹಾಕುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ತಮ್ಮ ಹಿತಾಸಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಶಾಸನ ಸಭೆಯೊಳಗ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ರಕ್ಷಿಸಬಹುದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಯನ್ನ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ವೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ representation to the minorities. By providing representation to the minorities, and the interests of minorities will be safeguarded in the legislature. Let us examine next factor. Election reinforces the stability and legitimacy of the political community by bringing together citizens of the nation, and helps for the socio-political integration. People in the sense, all the voters come under one umbrella for exercising their votes to a particular party or to a particular candidate during the times of election. In such a way, it brings the people together, and also it helps to socio-political integration. There will be definitely integration. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಒಂದು ಐಕ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ, ಏಕತೆಯನ್ನ ಮೂಡಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತದವ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್. ನೋ ಡೌಟ್, elected representatives should be accountable, should be responsible to the voters. If they are not accountable, if they are not responsive to the needs and aspirations of the people, definitely people know how to teach to such a representative election in the next coming elections. For that reason, elections provides how they are behaving, or how they are accountable and responsible to the people. In such a way, elections makes the representatives to be accountable and to be responsive to the needs and aspirations of the people. On the basis of this thing also, we can recognize the importance of elections. Next and last factor, that is, it contributes to the continuation of democratic government and enables the peaceful transfer of powers. If there are elections, it is possible to transfer the power peacefully without engaging in violent activities. ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಅಹಿಂಸಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗದಂಗ ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾದ ರೀತಿಯೊಳಗ ಅಧಿಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೆಂಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, suppose if the present government is unable to meet the needs and aspirations of the people, if the present government or present political party which is in power is not in a position to meet or to respond to the interests of the people, definitely the same voters will teach a lesson in the next coming election by exercising their votes against such a political party or against such a government.